Yes. Now we have finished the exercise number 2.3, and today we will solve the exercise number 2.4. In 2.4, question number 1 is find the reciprocal of different rational numbers are given, and you have to find out the reciprocal of the given number. So what is the question? Find the reciprocal of. Find the reciprocal of A 7 by 3, B 3 by 5, C 6 by 7, D 7 by 3. Different numbers are given and you have to find out the reciprocal. This is very easy. As you know, reciprocal of any number, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. So just do the reverse of this one. Make this denominator numerator and numerator to denominator. So question A, reciprocal of 7 by 3 is equal to 3 by 5. B, reciprocal of 3 by 5 is equal to 5 by 3. C, reciprocal of 6 by 7 is equal to 7 by 6. And D, reciprocal of 7 by 3 of 7 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. Just do the alternate of this one. Make the denominator numerator and numerator to the denominator, so it becomes the reciprocal. Suppose any integer is given 2, so reciprocal क्या होगा 1 by 2. 2 को 2 by 1 लिखेंगे, so it will become 2 by 2. So any number अगर उसमें डिनोमिनेटर नहीं दिया गया है, सो उसको पहले फ्रैक्शनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करो, डिवाइड बाय 1, एंड दैट आफ्टर दैट यू कैन मेक आउट 1 by 2. So this way the question number 1 is over. Now question number 2, just see, this is the answer, ये आंसर होगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ वी विल सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज व्हाट? 18 whole 3 by 4. Find the question number 2. Find 18 divided by 3 by 4. A 18 divided by 3 by 4. As you know, in the division, first this divided and this is the divided by this. So first this division we convert into the multiplication. So this 18 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई इस डिवाइडर जो है इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं। सो 18 किसी भी डिवीजन को हल करने के लिए डिवाइजर का रेसिप्रोकल करते हैं तो और इसको मल्टीप्लाई में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं। सो दिस इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3/4. Now to solve division, first make it in multiplication और डिवाइजर का रेसिप्रोकल लिख करके इसको सॉल्व करते हैं। फिर नाउ 18 दिया 54/4. This you can simplify also. 2 2 is 4, 2 27. It is answer is become 27/2. This you can write 13 whole 1/2 also. So this way we used to do the division. So in the division what we used, किसी भी डिवीजन में डिवीजन को हम मल्टीप्लाई में कन्वर्ट करते हैं। और कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लाई में? मल्टीप्लाई में जब भी लिखें तो डिवाइजर है उसका रेसिप्रोकल कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है। सो दिस वे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2. No, this is wrong. We have not done here reciprocal. So this is wrong. So 18 multiplied by 4/3 it will become. It will become what? 18 multiplied by 4/3. Here it is 3/4. So when we will convert in multiplication, the divisor will be reciprocal. 3/4 का reciprocal 4/3. Now this 3 6 6 into 4, it will become the 24 answer. Next 14 whole 7/5. B 14 divided by 7/5. So this 14 multiplied by 5/7. 5/7. अगर ये सिंप्लीफाई हो रहा है तो सिंप्लीफाई करो। सो 2 into 5 is equal to 10. This is the answer. See division. So this way division is done. 6 divided by 2 whole 1/3. 6 divided by 2 whole 1/3. This is equal to 6. First divided by 3 to the 6 plus 1. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7/6. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7/3. 7/3. Now multiplied by 3/7. So it has become 18/7. So the answer became 18/7 of 18/7, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 to 18/7. So this is the answer. Next D. 25 divided by 2 whole 1/7. 25 divided by 2 whole 1/7. So 25 divided by 7 to the 14 plus 1, 15/7. So this is 25 multiplied by 7/15. This you can simplify. 5 3 are 15, 5 5 are. So this has become 35/3. This is the answer of question number 2. So this way your question number 2 is also completed. So on the whole, this is done for learning the division of the rational number. किसी भी rational number को कैसे डिवाइड किया जाता है। डिवाइड करने के लिए डिवाइड करने के लिए उसको मल्टीप्लाई में कन्वर्ट करते हैं और मल्टीप्लाई में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए when we will convert in multiplication, what we do, डिवाइजर को हम रेसिप्रोकल करके again as in the multiplication we used to solve the question. So this way exercise number 2.4 question number 2 is Now question, we will see question number 3. So this has become question number 235 by 3. So question number 2 is over. Now we will see question number 3. Question number 3. In this one, divide. Same way. Divide. A 3 whole 1 by 4 by 2 by 3. A 3 whole 1 by 4 divided by what? By 2 by 3. 2 by 3. This number has to be divided by 2 by 3. So, solve this one. 4 3 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4 divided by 2 by 3. So, same way, division, convert into multiplication and do the reciprocal of 2 by 3. So it has become 3 by 2. If it is getting simplified, then we will see it is not getting simplified. So 13 3 39 or 4 2 8. This will be the answer. So this way, this will be the answer. B 7 by 8 by 4. B 7 by 8 divided by 4 whole 1 by 2 by 4 whole 1 by 2. So this is equal to 7 by 8 divided by 2 4 8 plus 1 9 by 2. Now this has become 7 by 8 multiplied by 2 by 9. So 2 you can cut 4. Now it has become 7 whole 36. This is the answer. Third, in third, C 3 whole 7 by 15. 3 whole 7 by 15 by 2 whole 3 by 5. 2 whole 3 by 5. So this is 3 whole 7 by 15. This you can write 15 3 45 plus 7 52. 52 upon 15 divided by 5 2 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 upon 5. Now this 52 upon 15 multiplied by 5 by 13. This you can make simplify. 13 1 ja 13, 13 4 ja 52, 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. So 4 into 1 4 and 3 into 1 3 by 4 by 3. So this is the answer of question number C. Question number C, this has become 4 by 3. Now next, D 100 by 10 by 3. Question number D, 100 by 10 by 3. 10 by 3. This is 100 multiplied divided by 10 by 3. This is 100 multiplied by 3 by 10. This 10 10 ja 130. This is the answer of question number 3. So this way 1 2 3 we have solved, and all the questions were of the division. So conclusion is that if any number has to be divided by any number, so first we convert into multiplication, and for converting the multiplication, divisor का reciprocal करके, and we will solve according to the multiplication rule. So this way till question number 3. Question number 4. Now this is what problem started. So see question number 4, word problem. Question number 4. One word problem is there. A wire of length 6.5 meter. Length of a wire is given. Length. Length of wire is equal to how much? 6 whole 1 by 2 meter. 6 whole 1 by 2 meter. One by 2 meter. It is to be cut in 13 pieces of equal length. Find the length of each pieces. So the wire is to be cut. Wire is to be cut into 13 pieces. Wire is to be cut into 13 pieces of equal length. ये वायर की टोटल लंबाई है और इसको 13 पीसेस इक्वल लेंथ में कट करने हैं. सो लेंथ ऑफ ईच वायर, लेंथ LENGTH ऑफ ईच वायर, इट इज टू बी फाउंड. इसको निकालना है कि तो हर एक वायर की इतनी लंबी तार है, इसको 13 पीस में कट करना है, तो एक एक तार की लंबाई क्या होगी. So therefore the length of each wire is equal to 6 whole 1 by 2 divided by 13. That is 2 6 the 13 plus 1 14. 2 6 the 12 plus 1 13 by 2 divided by 13. Now this is equal to 13 whole 13 upon 2 multiplied by 1 by 13. 13 cut हो गया, so it has become half meter. So each wire की लंबाई कितनी होगी? half मीटर की लंबाई हो जाएगी. So this way question number 4 is also solved. So here half meter, this is the answer. Now we will see question number 5. By what number should this be multiplied to get itna? Question number 5. Question number 5. By what number should 4 whole 3 by 4 should 4 whole 3 by 4 4 whole 3 by 4 be multiplied to get 6 whole 1 by 4, to get 6 whole 1 by 4. This is the question. By what number should this number should be multiplied to get this? इस नंबर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया जाए, किस नंबर से, कि रिजल्ट इतना हो जाए. सो लेट it is to be multiplied by x. हमने लेट किया कि इस नंबर को x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इतना आंसर आएगा. सो मेक द इक्वेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 4 whole 3 by 4 multiplied by x is equal to 6 whole 1 by 4. ये इक्वेशन बन गया. जिस नंबर को पूछा जा रहा था कि किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें, उसको हमने मान लिया इसको हम x से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो इतना मिल जाएगा 6 whole 1 by 4. Now this equation we will solve. So we have to find out the value of x. So x is equal to how much? This is multiplied. So this number whenever it will go this side, so this will be divided by that. So x is equal to 6 whole 1 by 4 divided by 4 whole 3 by 4. Now again division. Solve the division. So 4 6 ja 24 plus 1 25 upon 4 multiplied by 4 4 ja 16 plus 3 19 upon 4. Now 25 upon 4 multiplied by 4 by 19. So this you can get. So after that the answer will become 25 upon 19. This is the answer. So value of x becomes this. So इसको अगर 25 upon 19 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उतना आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा. So 5 is also over. Now we will see question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Cost of 4 whole 3 by 4 kg apple is rupees 300. What is the rate of apples per kg? Now what is given in the question? Given भी क्या है? Cost of 4 whole 3 by 4 kg apple. 4 whole 3 by 4 kg apples is equal to 300. Is rupees 300. So rate of apples per kg. So we have to find out rate of per kg apples. एक किलो एप्पल का दाम क्या होगा? इतने किलो एप्पल का दाम 300 है तो 1 किलो एप्पल का दाम This divided by this. Since 4 whole 3 by 4 kg apple cost rupees 300, therefore 1 kg apple cost will become 300 divided by 4 whole 3 by 4. This is all. 300 divided by 4 4 is 16 plus 3 19 upon 4. This has become 300 multiplied by 4 by 19. So 1200 upon 19. This much rupees will be cost of 1 kilo 1 kg apple. 1 kg एप्पल का दाम रेट मीन्स 1 kg पर kg एप्पल क्या होगा? This much will be the answer of the question number 6. 63 whole 3 by 19. So this you can convert in 1200 19 6 या 114 60 3. So this you can convert 6 rupees 63 whole 3 by 19. This is the answer. So question number 6 is also over. Now we will see question number 7. Question number 7 is, a bucket contains 18 liter of water. How many 3 by 5 liter jugs can be filled from the bucket? Can be filled. A bucket contains water. Question number 7. Given the bucket contains water is equal to how many liter? How many liter? 3 by 5 liter. 18 liter. 18 liter. 18 liter. How many 3 by 5 liter jugs can be filled? So how many jugs? How many jugs can be filled? Can be filled of 3 by 5 liter. 3 by 5 liters. एक बकेट में इतना पानी 18 लीटर है और एक जग की कैपेसिटी है 3 by 5 लीटर की। इतने लीटर वाले जग कितने इस पानी से भरे जा सकते हैं? तो that is the question. That is 18 divided by 3 by 5. So it will become 18 multiplied by 5 by 3. 3 6 18, 30 jugs. So answer is 30 jugs. This is the answer. Question number 8. In a hostel mess, each student gets 1/3 लीटर ऑफ मिल्क एवरी डे. एक हॉस्टल के मेस में हर लड़के को 1/3 लीटर दूध मिलता है. इफ द टोटल कंजम्पशन ऑफ द मिल्क इज इतना लीटर पर डे, हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर इन द हॉस्टल एवरी डे. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Question number 8 is each student gets each students get every day milk is how many liter? 1/3 liter. 1/3 liter. 1/3 liter. If the total milk is how much? Total milk कितना है? 87 whole 2/3. 87 whole milk, total milk consumption every day is equal to how much liter? 87 whole 2/3 liter. 87 whole 2/3 liter. So total milk consumption every day it is given. How many students are there? So number of students you have to find out. So number of students will become 87 whole 2/3 divided by 1/3. This has become 3 is 24 plus 26/3 multiplied by 3/1. This we cancel. It has become 26 students. This is the answer of this question. Now one more question is remaining. एक ही बचा बस. छोड़ दें. Leave it. So till question number 8 is solved. Only 9 is we will see in the next class.